Today's Bible verse comes from 2 Peter chapter 1 verse 3, King James Version. According as his divine power hath given unto us all things that pertain unto life and godliness, through the knowledge of him that hath called us to glory and virtue. 2 Peter 1:3 states that God has given believers everything they need for a godly life through their knowledge of him. This verse emphasizes that God's divine power has already provided believers with the resources necessary for spiritual growth and living a life that honors him. Essentially, believers don't need to search elsewhere for what they need. It's been made available through their relationship with God. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Number 1. His divine power has given to us all things. This highlights that the source of these resources is God's power, not human effort. Number 2. That pertain to life and godliness. This clarifies that these resources are specifically for living a life that pleases God and aligns with his will. Number 3. Through the knowledge of him who called us by glory and virtue. This connects the provision of these resources to the believer's knowledge of God, emphasizing the importance of a personal relationship with him. In essence, 2 Peter 1:3 is a powerful declaration that believers are fully equipped for their spiritual journey because of God's grace and provision. It encourages them to embrace this truth and rely on God's power to live a life that reflects his glory. Amen.